My name is Tom Riley, and I have been a customer of All American since 1998. This is probably the best auto repair service I have ever found, and I have lived in 7 different states. They have great attention to detail. They don't oversell anything. If you need it, you need it. If you don't need it, you will never have to buy it from All American. My 1993 Jeep Cherokee, when I gave it to my son, who lives in the city of New York, it had 214,000 miles on it. And he ran that vehicle until he had 265,000 miles. My Dodge Durango was a 2000 Dodge Durango, and when I traded that in, it had 225,000 miles on it. The Volvo that they serviced had 170,000 miles on it, and the 2008 Grand Cherokee, which I gave to one of my sons, when I gave it to him, it had 160,000 miles on it. The vehicle I'm presently driving, which is a 2014 BMW X1, has 95,000 miles on it. Highly recommend the service provided by All American. They're professional, they're extremely knowledgeable, the service is timely, and the price is always right.